From the slot page, I first need the find student demonstration one. I want to work with each student has a take data button under the action column. Clicking the button opens the take data screen. Screen for the student. On the take data screen, I can see the selected student at the top along with the date and session time. There are also options such as accommodations, service not track, and customized view. The main part of the screen is divided into goal sections or on the left and the data collection area on the right. The left side show all the goals, for example, social studies, writing, math, reading, behavior, math, etc. uh, there are search and search options or and filter options. Filter option to it easier to help a specific goal. Is also an added option for adding a new goal. After selecting a goal, it's become highlighted and the related data collection interface appears on the right side. The capture types is where the actual data is recorded. One thing I noticed is that the data capture interface is different goals. It's not the same for every goal. For example, math uses correct, incorrect, and QE buttons, while reading uses different response level like independent, one from two or more from no response, etc. This show that the way data is captured depends on how each individual goal is matured. The skin also has a trial indicator such as a trial 1, which helps keep track of the current trial. There is also a added phase option for goals where data may need to be organized into different phases. The undo option is available in some capture prompts to correct an accidentally entry. Okay, then there are a graph status info status there are a graph can be used to view the student progress over time, while a status provides more detailed information about the recorded data, and the info tab is providing additional information about the selected goals. Okay, I think having these options on the same screen is useful because the educator can collect data and check the student progress without leaving the current page. At the bottom of the screen, there are notes and lesson plan section. The educator can add notes about the session, such as observation or anything important about the student performance. There are also load last note and added note options. Load last note can be useful when similar information needs to be reused, while add note allow the educator to add new information for the current session. After going through the workflow and looking at the different goal types, I found a few areas where the experience could be improved. First of all, session timer. The screen already show date and session time, but a dedicated session timer could make time tracking easier. For example, session time 32:50. The timer could start as when the session begins, and total duration could be saved as service time. when the session is completed. This could reduce manually time tracking and make session documentation easier. The second part is quick session summary. The capture already provides information such as accuracy attempts, correct, incorrect prompts. However, I think a small summary would make the current session easier to understand at a glance. For example, session accuracy is 70%, 3 out of 4. Uh, a small progress is indicator could also be added so the educator can quickly understand how the student is performing during the current session. Next is collapsible goal panel. The goal panel on the left takes up a significant amount of screen space. Once a goal has been selected, the educator may not need to see the full list all the time. I would add a collapse and expand option on the goals panel. This would give more space to the capture area and make the main data entry section easier to focus on. The panel could be expanded again whenever the educator needs to switch to another goal. Our phone number is easier note taking. The notes section currently show no notes added. When there are no notes and the educator need to click add note to start writing, I would consider adding a simple inline input such as type a note here. This would allow the educator to start writing immediately and reduce uh, an extra click during session. And last thing, keyboard shortcut for faster data entry. uh, During a session on the educator needed to record for many trials. Clicking the data buttons repeatedly with the mouse can be a little slow. I would added keyboard shortcut where possible. For example, right array is correct, left array is incorrect. That's P is prompt. This P is prompt, and Control Z is undo. This could make data entry faster and reduce unnecessary mouse clicks. Uh, that's all. Overall, I found the able space take data workflow quite straightforward. The main follow is cache load, then selected student, then click the take data button, uh, and selected goals and record data and added notes and check progress. One thing I found particularly useful is that the data collection interface change depending on the selected goal. This make the workflow more suitable for different types of goals. Instead of forcing every goal to use the same data entry method, the existing skin already keeps most of the important feature in one place. My main focus would be reducing unnecessary click and making data entry faster during an actual teaching or therapy session. The improvement I would prioritize are session timer, a quick session summary, collapsible goal panel, easier note taking, and keyboard shortcut. This change could improve the overall experience without changing the basic structure of the existing workflow.